So you can see the question on your screen now. So what is given? KLMN is a trapezoid, which I have drawn now. The other thing is angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Okay, which is angle 1? Measure of angle 1. First thing is given is KL. This is equal to this. KL is equal to MN, which means it's a isosceles trapezoid. And angle 1, so this they are calling angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Okay, and LN, LM and KN, their ratio is 8 is to 9 and parameter is given as 132. P is 132. And the question is find the length of the mid segment. Length of mid segment. Okay, so we collected whatever information is given in the question. This is equal to this. Angle 1 and angle 2 are equal. And what else is given? These other properties are given. So if angle 1 is equal to angle 2, we know that these two sides are parallel because the bases of a trapezoid are parallel. So, and this is a traversal line. This line, if you extend this line segment, it will become a line. Let's extend this and make it a line which goes forever in both sides. So it's a traversal line. If this is angle 2, this would be also angle 2. Why? Because alternate interior angles. So these two angles are equal. So that means 1, 2 and 3. If I call it 3 instead of 2, they all angle 1, 2, 3 are equal. If angle 1, 2, 3 are equal, in this triangle you can know that this is a isosceles triangle because in the isosceles triangle the opposite angles are equal, which means KL is equal to LM. So we established KL equal to LM. Okay, KL equal to LM we established. So if we establish this, and we already know that this is a isosceles trapezoid, so this will also be equal to MN. Okay, so MN. So we established KL equal to LM because of isosceles triangle, and LM equal to and KL equal to MN. KL equal to MN because isosceles trapezoid. So all three of them are equal, and we have been given that this is now what we have to find. So what we have to find is the mid segment, length of the mid segment. So how can you find the length of the mid segment? So we know the property of length of mid segment. Mid segment equal to length of bases. Okay, LM plus KN, LM plus Kn divided by 2. This we already know. We have seen the theorem and we have seen the details of this earlier. So mid segment is the average of the bases, sum of bases. So that's what we already know. So now let's put our theorem in place. The parameter shall be LM. If I call LM as X, okay, let me call it X for making it easy. This would also be X, this would also be X because of this we did. So all three are X. So X plus X plus X plus Kn equal to 132. Okay. So 3x plus Kn equal to 132. Now there is one more thing which is given. Lm divided by Kn is 8 is to 9. So Lm is to Kn. Lm is to Kn. 9. So if this one is, if Lm is X, if you cross multiply, Kn shall be equal to 9 into Lm divided by 8. So 9 by 8 Lm, and we know Lm is what? X. So Kn equal to 9 by 8 X. Okay. So Kn we know 9 by 8 X. Now if you substitute Kn's value in this equation, you will find the value of X. Okay. So let me do it with a separate pen. So 3x plus 9 by 8x equal to 132. You solve this equation. So 24x plus 9x divided by 8 is 132. And when you solve this, let's solve it first. So it becomes 33x equal to 132 into 8. Now I'll cancel it with 11. 11 3 is a 33, and this is 12. 11 3 is a 33, and 11 was the 11, and 11 to the 12. So it would be 12, and again I cancel 3 4s are 12. So x will come as 32. Sorry, the pen broke for some reason. Broke on me. So if x is 32, you know this is 9 by 8 of x. This kn is 9 by 8 of x. So kn shall be 9 by 8 of 32, which will be 36. Okay. So we know a mid segment. Mid segment is what? The line joining the midpoint of the legs. So mid segment is equal to Lm plus Kn divided by 2. This we already saw earlier. So Lm we found as x, which was 32. 32 plus 36. 32 plus 36 divided by 2. And this shall be 16 plus 18. And this is 34. So answer is 34. Mid segment will be 34. Thank you.